head.
Hallo lieverd. Hallo lieverd. Hey. Hallo. Hallo. Hey. Kon je bij opa op visite? Ja. Kon je bij opa op visite? Ja. Oh. Ja.
I really love the mornings where it's so quiet and you hear all the birds singing. Hi! I'm starting the day with some strawberries and today I'm packing orders again like usual. Designing, doing my administration, all kind of things. It are busy days. Recording the unboxing of the Love USA box for YouTube. How cute are these? Even with the gold foil. I'm really in love with this box. And I'm also recording some reels and TikToks today. As a small business, you have to create fun content to grow and reach more people. So that's why I'm also active on TikTok and creating fun reels. And today I'm recording a reels for the Beach Vibes box in my beach dress. Because it was such a great day after I was finished with working, I decided to go to this little dog beach so Jip and Poppy could have a little swim. Because Jip really loves swimming. Oh, that's also why I created a dog pool in my garden, because he loves it so much. Ga maar lekker zwemmen! Ja, ga maar lekker zwemmen! Oh my god. Jippie! Where's Poppy? Good morning everyone! You may wondering why I have a Christmas tree here. That's because I have a question for you about the Advent box. As you may know, I had a planner Advent box last year, and I'm already working on the new Advent boxes. But I have one question. I will have one big box with full width stationery comparable with the kind of products that were in the last one. But I also had a washi tape advent the last time. But I'm now thinking maybe I should do a sticker advent box, or a sticker advent and a washi advent. I'm wondering what you would prefer. It really would help me out if you can share what you would like for a advent box, a washi tape or sticker or both, besides the big planner advent I already creating. Thank you! Yeah. Good morning everyone. It's another day in the Planything office, and it's Friday and I am packing the rest of all the orders, making them ready for shipping again on Monday. As you maybe know, I'm always full with ideas, and everything I'm doing for Planything are ideas coming in my head. Of course my dreams, but I also have more dreams, like creating my own planner. I have this idea in my head for I think a few years now, and well, I thought maybe it would be time now to just start sketching things out, contacting manufacturers for who create planners. I'm just excited to go in a process like that. Yeah, I will keep you posted about it because I'm super excited. First packing all orders that have individual items and other boxes. I'm now going to pack them, and after that I'm going to pack all the beach fried boxes for Monday. Yay, it's weekend, and I just released the pictures of the cover that we'll be releasing on Saturday, and I'm super excited, also a bit nervous. I hope you all are going to like the cover, and yeah, I'm super excited. When they go to sleep, Poppy likes to lay here. Cute. I'm super excited because I'm working on the August autumn box, and it's so cool. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. It's Monday morning and everything is packed for shipping, and I want to end this vlog with another little sneak peek of a product from the June box. This is a mini sticky note. Yay! So everything is packed in my car to drive to the international post office. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. It's gone by so fast. It's already half May. Thank you for watching my vlog, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!